how to soft reset the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So the first thing that you need to do is place your Galaxy Buds or the earbuds in the charging case and make sure both earbuds are properly seated in the charging slot. Now we need to close the lid, so shut the charging case lid completely. Wait for 7 seconds or longer. Give the earbuds a few seconds to power off and reset. And after 7 seconds, open the lid and remove the earbuds. So take the earbuds out of the case and they should automatically power on and reconnect to your device. And that's it. This is a soft reset only, so that if you have any connection issues, you can try a soft reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.